Thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. If you want to design and build a beautiful website, you can do it all in one place with Squarespace.
Please, baby, can we? I'm in trouble now, I know. I'm in trouble now, I know. Can you free me? Can you free me? Lock me up and swallow the key. Don't you make me get on my knees. Come on, baby, pretty please. He said, she said, it's going again. I'm just gonna feel it out.
I've got 22 minutes until I am changing the store from BRB mode to live. Sorry, I'm really nervous. I always get really nervous. To me, that drilling is not ideal. 1 minute. I'm sick. I feel sick. I feel sick. Oh my god, it's time. It is, guys. My store. Here it is. The tea. We got the tattoo ticket. We got some $3 backgrounds for those who don't want anything in the post and don't want to pay shipping fees. Thought I'd just include a little digital thing. Most of the shirts are gone. A lot of the to-do lists are gone. Thank you guys for making this so special every time. I have to go to sleep now. I'm so tired. I'm gonna go to bed and answer people's messages and then fall asleep for a bit before Chris comes and preps boxes and stuff. Thank you guys so much. You guys are the best. And all the lighting gear and some of the styling stuff is in this car, and we have a model, a hair and makeup person, and a stylist in another car, and we're heading to this room that we are renting from someone because it's pink. It's got pink curtains and pink walls. It's very subtle, but I don't know, I just wanted a pink room with little posters on it. That's just what I envisioned, and a bed obviously, and we're gonna light it up all pink, and it's gonna be really, really fun. I feel weirdly calm, so maybe something bad's gonna happen, or maybe everything's gonna be amazing. I think hopefully the second one.
No, I can't stop. This feeling's off. This feeling's off. I know. And if my heart stops beating, I don't want you beating for me. For me. And if I'm bleeding out, I don't want you beating for me. For me.
This is the first test, and what we're going to be testing for is shakiness and how the lights look like going through the background, and how natural this light is. So, oh no, this is so embarrassing. There's a car coming, sweetheart. This is so embarrassing. It looks so good with the stuff. Oh baby, it looks so awesome. It does. Yeah, it looks really cool. Don't get distracted. We'll watch later, but
No, I'm not getting distracted.
Oh my god, it's so cool. It looks like, you know, when in movies?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I have to send this to Chris right now. Okay, so today's shoot is gonna be in the backseat of our car. I'm excited because I honestly was anxious about whether we'd be able to do it. Now we can do it. I'm so excited. Look, I'm going to be sitting here out of frame. I'm going to be watching on this monitor and giving direction, because I won't be able to sit in the front seat and give direction because look how far it has to go forward. Today we're shooting this beautiful Z Flip. Can't believe flip phones are back. I'm so excited. Let's go. So cool.
It's going to roughly be about here. And make sure that stuff doesn't go straight.
Are we not using the tripod anymore?
We will, but that's just extra secure.
Yeah. It's going to be an hour of hair and makeup and styling. So like, we have time and we know what is meant to happen, right? I don't think we need more than an hour, right? Are you worried at all about anything?
No.
I don't wanna be on time. You don't wanna wait all the way through.
Are we rolling, Rocket?
Yep, we are.
Rocket, pull back a little just so we get more of the top. Yeah, exactly.
Perfect.
I love this. Do 2 more shots inside where you're just grabbing keys out of a bowl and like putting the phone in the bag, but they're pretty close up, Debbie, so like they probably should only take like 30 seconds. Okay. And then we're done.
Tell me am I hot or cold? Tell me am I hot or cold? Tell me am I hot or cold? Tell me when I'm getting home. 'Cause baby I can't reach your mind. Summertime 2009. Feel like now I'm losing my mind. I don't wanna go backwards. Shoulder colder than Alaska. I've been feeling myself, baby. She won't be by herself lately. Silence making me deaf, baby. To your health, baby. You never used to mind. Tell me why you never seem surprised anymore. I can see the stars in your eyes. Can you just tell me am I hot or cold? Tell me am I hot or cold? Tell me am I hot or cold? Tell me when I'm getting home. 'Cause baby I can't reach your mind. Summertime 2009. Feel like now I'm losing my mind. Just tell me all you mind. Now, how'd I know that she'd go there? Going nowhere. Never sober. Take it sober.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Before I do a quick Q&A, I want to say thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. As per usual, if you would like a beautiful website, easy to use, gorgeous, templates that you can change in seconds and it changes everything on mobile, on desktop, on tablet, then go to squarespace.com/furrylittlepeach. You'll get a free trial and a 10% discount on your first purchase. I wouldn't be able to do my store drops without them. I love Squarespace so much. So if you haven't tried it, I really recommend it. You should try it. Anyway, Q&A time. Oh, this is topical. Where are you getting all these amazing gingham tops/dresses? I'm loving these looks. Most of my gingham dresses are from my friend Daisy. She actually does a lot of tutorials. From my understanding, she loves to make garments out of rectangles, so she tries to do it in an easy way and then create tutorials so that everyone can do it at home if they have a sewing machine. So if you would like to make these yourself, you can probably find a tutorial for this exact dress on her blog. Her username is DIY Daisy, so you'll be able to find it. I'll link her below. I commissioned them, so I'm sorry about that. You know that annoying thing where it's like, where'd you get your dress? I'm like, it's vintage. You can't find it anywhere. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. Will you and Rocket be making another drawing from memories video? Rocket? Will we? I think we're overdue actually. We're doing it like once a year now. Now I think it's a little bit over a year, but I would love to do one. I don't know what cartoons to do next. So if you guys have ideas for cartoons, please suggest them below. And then I'll do a poll on my community tab, and that will be the one that we do. I'm hoping for I would love to do Cartoon Network ones. That would be really good, because we did like a very general one the first time, and then after that we're doing like Studio Ghibli, Pixar, and like that kind of like networky version. So I would love to do Cartoon Network, but we'll see what everyone says. So I feel like you got a pretty big operation going. Have you considered hiring someone to help with the workload of your business? If so, what would you hire someone for first? The shop, social media posting and interaction, answering emails, basically what's your least favorite / most time consuming task that keeps you away from your artwork? So I do have someone. I work with Chris, who I've been working with for the last 7 years or so, and he basically does all my admin. So he does all my emails, and he works on client work with me. So he has like a producer role where he's across everything and working internally to help me like finish projects, in that he is communicating with clients, he's sourcing manufacturers, figuring out logistics and stuff like that, negotiating costs and working out contracts and stuff. So that's really, really good. I think the next thing I'll do if I do hire someone else will be like a studio assistant. So maybe like someone that can do all round stuff, like the overflow of things. I've been trying to think about how it would be worthwhile, because I don't want to like hire someone and then not have anything for them to do, and also only have enough work for them to work like 1 day a week. I would like them to work like a couple days a week or something, but I would like them to probably do like design stuff, like creating cut lines for stickers. That's like the only thing I can think of. I don't know how to drive, so it'd be helpful if they have their license so I could go to like the store and get stuff, like art related stuff. The other day I thought of something too, but I forget what it is. They could help with store stuff. It would be really great to have someone doing like helping to make clips out of my YouTube videos for TikTok, and like helping me document for my YouTube videos. That would be really helpful, just because it like the setup can take a really long time. Like for example, when I'm about to do a painting, I need to think about how we're going to light it, how we're going to set up the cameras, which angle we're going to use, when to change the angle, and it can get in the way of the creative process. So I think I would like someone to help me do that stuff eventually, but that is not something that I'm looking into now, unless like I meet someone that's amazing and that I think can be good for that role. But right now it's just Chris and I, and yeah, it's still really good. I'm so happy I'm working with Chris, because I trust him so much as well. I think that's the main thing, like, so I trust him so much within my business that I don't have to worry as much. But yeah, probably overall studio assistant would be someone that I would want to hire, someone with design skills and video skills. Like it just has to be basic, and then I can do all the rest of the stuff. But yeah, that's all my questions. I hope you like this video. This one was a bit of a crazy like mishmash of everything as per usual, but hope you guys liked it. Maybe we'll do a cartoons from memory next, who knows. So guys, suggest what cartoons you think we should do next. That would be fun. All right, everyone, goodbye. Have a nice should I explain? Nah, I don't need to explain where we are. I was like, we're not in the studio today, and there's chickens. We're just at Rocket's brother's house because we came down for their engagement party. We're in Adelaide at the moment, and there's chickens here. Hello. And I don't never interacted with chickens before, so who knows what could happen. And also I've eaten chicken before, so I'm scared they can tell. Anyway, that's it. That's all. Goodbye. Goodbye.